Transforming your body in just 30 days might sound like a dream, but it is possible with one simple hack. https://c4th.com/pfpb-challenge/?ref=howmar384. This approach focuses on a surprising breakfast change and a miracle ingredient. Many people start their day with foods they believe are healthy, but one common breakfast choice could be sabotaging your fitness goals. Surprisingly, it is not sugary cereals or pastries. Instead, it is the seemingly innocent fruit juice. Packed with sugar and lacking fiber, fruit juice can spike blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and weight gain. To counteract this, introduce a miracle ingredient into your diet: chia seeds. https://c4th.com/challenge/?ref=howmar384. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer, making them an ideal addition to your morning routine. By eliminating fruit juice and incorporating the perfect food for the perfect body into your breakfast, you can kickstart a 30-day transformation. This simple change can lead to improved energy levels, better digestion, and noticeable weight loss. Consistency is key, so stick with this routine for the full month. In just 30 days, you can transform your body by making one simple change to your breakfast routine. Ditch the fruit juice and embrace the power of chia seeds. This small adjustment can lead to significant health benefits, helping you feel more energetic and youthful. Start your transformation today.